Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over my Dollar General 25-cent Christmas clearance haul. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded these Christmas clearance visual videos for you guys covering all of the categories and even some hidden clearance items. So if you missed out on those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so I am back home. I finally got the car unloaded, and man, what a crazy day it has been. I mean, just crazy. It's late, I'm a little worn out, but I still wanted to go ahead and share with you all everything that I found today and see how your all's day went as well. So let me know down in the comment section below, what was your favorite find? How did everything turn out for you? All of that good stuff. Let me know. I cannot wait to hear how you guys did. So anyways, as all of you know, or hopefully most of y'all know, that all of our Christmas clearance items went down to just 25 cents today at the Dollar General. So everything that you see in this video is going to be 25 cents. Now, most of these items I did include in our Christmas clearance visual videos. Hopefully you guys watched those. If you have not watched those already, make sure that you go and do that. I go over all of the things that are included. Some are clearly Christmas items. Some you may not think are Christmas items that are included. And then we also have some things that are excluded that you would probably think should be included. So make sure that you guys go and watch those videos so that you are prepared and you know what to look for when you do go out shopping, all right? Okay, so again, everything is going to be 25 cents. So I'm just going to kind of skim over everything. If there is an item in here that I don't have a slide for that are in the visuals videos, I will be making slides and updating you guys in the next clearance markdown video. Next week, I don't know what's going to happen. It could drop to 90% off, it could drop to 10 cents, or it could penny out. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens. All right, guys. But make sure that y'all stay tuned, because another thing I wanted to go ahead and kind of let you guys in on is I probably will have some really good news to share with you all. I'm kind of waiting. I have to wait and just kind of make sure on a couple of things. But you guys need to have your notifications turned on and get ready, because more than likely I'm going to have some really good news to share with you all next week. All right. So notifications, make sure they're set to all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, let's go ahead and just kind of run through this. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all about my day. Now, I did wake up a little bit late. Typically, if I'm uploading a video or anything like that, I try to get up by 4 a.m. to get that ball rolling. But this morning, I did wake up a little bit late. But I did get everything done. But I had to upload a video. I had to get my Walgreens pickup order done and ordered. That way I could pick it up today. And then I had to get the kiddos ready and off to school. So I was running a little bit late. I did get everything done. But I was going to a store that was a little bit farther away from me than normally. I would just go to the store that's closest to me. But I wanted to go out a little bit further just to see what the other stores had, because I hadn't been out there in a while. So, I did get there at 10 after 8. I was the first one there, surprisingly, and I scored big time on clothes and some of these signs. And then there was another lady that pulled in. She came in, and she really scored, too, on a lot of really good stuff. We got to talking. I had never met her before, but she was really cool, really nice. We kind of split some things up. She was wanting some candles, so I gave her a couple of mine, and then it really worked out because later on in the day, we kind of followed each other to the next store, and we were kind of helping each other out. So she would find something, like she found these super cute little, you guys know what this is? It's a salt and pepper shaker, and my normal stores did not have these. I haven't seen these all Christmas season, but she found 2 of them, and she was like, hey, do you want one of these? And I was like, oh, yes, please. How stinking cute is that? And also she found like some of the signs and stuff. She split up. We were just splitting up things, helping each other out. You know what I mean? So that was really cool. Also, before I do a little rearranging, I want to go ahead and tell y'all that we went to this one store. She was telling me about it, and she was like, hey, you know, there's a store down the road here, and not a whole lot of people know about it. Not a lot of people shop at it, and I've heard that their Christmas section is like completely fully stocked. Like hardly anything is gone out of it. So we go up there, walk in the door, and there's two ladies there with like 10 freaking buggies just lined up. I mean, they racked up. They really racked up. And, you know, we were both like, oh, you know, our hearts sank just a little bit. But at the same time, we went in, we, you know, searched the entire store, and we still found a lot of really good items. So even though we might have missed some of the bigger stuff, like the little baskets and things like that, we still found some really good stuff. So like I said, the day was great. I am super happy with the things that I found and everything that I ended up with. And to be honest with you guys, I really don't need 10 buggies full of Christmas stuff anyways. You know what I mean? But anyways, I'm happy for those people. But when you do see that, you know, you see all them buggies full, your heart does just drop just a little bit. You know what I mean? All right, I'm going to do a little rearranging, and I'll be right back with y'all. Alright guys, so I'm back. Here's a look at all the clothing items that I found. And this was at the very first store that I went to. This was the very first thing that I grabbed. So I did find 3 of the pajama sets, the girls and 2 of the ladies. I did find some of the knee-high socks, 2 of the snowman, the little gnome, and Santa Claus. And then I found a ton of the leggings. In fact, I found a whole display box. So 23 items of clothing total. So I was super excited about that. Alright guys, so here's a quick look at all of the food items that I found today. So the big winner of today on the food were the Werther's Originals chocolate covered caramels. Now, I'm not sure why this was it seemed like a surprise to a lot of people that these were included. But this was included in our Christmas clearance visual videos. And I actually pulled the slide from that video and posted it on the community tab today, as well as over on Instagram. And I was finding these all day long in the Valentine's Day candy section. At one store, I just ran in and grabbed the whole display. She was like, are these included? Are you sure? You know, and I was like, yep, been buying them all day. But this is good news because when Christmas items penny out, a lot of this is still going to be on the shelves because people don't realize that it is actually Christmas because of the big pink bow. So this is going to be a really good item. When this penny's out, you want to be on the lookout for these. Also, these, what are these? Chocolate hazelnut wafers. I've never tried these before, but my friend that I was with, she said that they were good, so I did grab a few of these, but I left a lot on the shelves. So again, this is going to be another good item to look for when these penny out, because they're in the Valentine's Day candy section. Another item that was in the Valentine's Day candy section were these vanilla waffle cookies. Now, I've never tried these either. She said that her kids loved them, so I'm going to try them, but you guys let me know what the deal is down in the comment section below. What do you do with these? Do you just eat them as is? Do you put something on top of them? What do you do? Let me know. Have you tried them before? What's the deal? All right, let me know. All right, so I've got 3 of those. And again, I left a lot of those on the shelf, so another really good penny item to search for when these go to a penny. I found 3 bags of the Lindor chocolates. Probably another really good item to look for when these penny out. Check those Valentine's Day candy sections. I picked up some of the Betty Crocker writing icing. There's still a lot of that on the shelves too. Christmas candy mix, that's an obvious giveaway. That's a Christmas item. The Stuffed Puffs chocolate peppermint bark. These are following Christmas clearance. The regular Stuffed Puffs in the blue bag are regular full price. We got the Betty Crocker Sugar Cookie Mix. We've got the Hershey's Kisses Hot Cocoa. 3 bags of those. I also found the Clover Valley Almond Bark in the clearance section, guys. So you really have to look all over your stores. I also picked up some of the Ocean Spray Cranberry Sauce. This stuff doesn't expire forever. If we don't eat it, I can always, you know, donate it. Also picked up 3 of the Funables gummies, fruit snacks, Elf on the Shelf. So there you have it for the food items. Now we're going to take a look at the air care. Alright guys, so here's a quick look at all the air care items that I picked up. I'm sure I do not have to give you guys the rundown on this. Again, if you guys want visuals and UPC codes, make sure that you go and check out those Christmas clearance visual videos linked in the pinned comment down below. So, I did find quite a bit of the Airwick, and I did use insert coupons on those to take advantage of that overage. Here are a few more ornaments that I picked up that I forgot to put in with the decorative stuff. The True Living Pumpkin Spice oil refills. I did find a couple of the Glade oil refills. Some of the Febreze small spaces, and a couple of air fresheners. So I really lucked up there. We have digital coupons. Take advantage of that overage. And then I found some of the Glade candles as well. So there's a quick look at all of the air care items. Alright guys, so all in all, I got over $500 worth of items and only paid $13 and some change out of pocket. So I'm super excited about that, but I'm very curious to know, how did you guys do? So let me know down in the comment section below. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.